When you are feeling bored in your regular day to day life and finding a relaxing weekend, then Aroham by Amod in Dalhousie will definitely offer you that relaxation. These machan shaped beautiful cottages are located on the lap of nature and far from crowd where you can spend your peaceful days. Each and every cottages are valley facing with a beautiful scenic beauty which can soothe your eyes completely. Each and every rooms are so well decorated and beautifully designed which will definitely fulfill your requirement and the expectations. And the most amazing part of this resort is the restaurant. And being a food blogger, food is our priority. So that's why we have chosen this resort too. And you can see it really looks nice and gives you the 5-star feeling. And not only the ambience, the food are really awesome and mouth-watering. Each and every dish are just superb and delicious. And my personal favorite among all is that Malai Kofta curry. The taste is really unforgettable. The flavor that I've never had before. You can also enjoy a beautiful sunset from your balcony with a hot cup of coffee. And at the chilling evening, the staff has arranged this campfire for all. And this is a perfect time for gupshup and making friends. And we did the same. And on the next morning, you can also enjoy the beautiful sunrise from your balcony with a hot cup of coffee or tea and start a refreshing new day with your loved ones. And when you come to the restaurant, you can find variety in options for the breakfast where you can choose any one or all. So we have taken the poha and some fresh fruit, then this puri bhaji. The pasta in white sauce and the dum biryani are the most recommended dish that you shouldn't miss. can also try this soft and hot gulab jamun as your dessert, and these are really good. So friends, if you are planning for Dalhousie, you should come to visit this place, Aroham by Amod, where you can spend good memorable days in your life. And if you like our video, please click the like button and share it with others. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep supporting, keep watching Meet the Flavors.